This video examines the Supreme Court case Lucero versus Delfino, promulgated on September 29, 2021. We will discuss landowner retention rights, DARAB jurisdiction, and the indefeasibility of Certificates of Land Ownership Awards, or CLOAs. In this first section, we provide the factual antecedents and background of the case to set the stage for our legal analysis. The controversy concerns a landholding in Santa Rosa, Laguna. The landowners are Rory and Isabelita Delfino, while the petitioners are Germán and Virgilio Lucero. The core issue involves the distribution of CLOAs to the Luceros before the Delfinos' retention rights were finalized. The conflict began between 1988 and 1994, leading to the annulment of a sale by 2002. Following the grant of retention rights to the Delfinos in April 2002, CLOAs were prematurely issued to the Luceros. Ultimately, from 2007 to 2021, the courts ordered the cancellation of these CLOAs. In this section, we move into the core legal issues addressed by the Supreme Court and their subsequent rulings. The first issue concerns jurisdiction. DARAB has adjudicatory power when an agrarian dispute exists, such as tenurial relations. Conversely, if the case involves pure administrative implementation or clerical errors, jurisdiction lies exclusively with the DAR Secretary. Regarding conclusiveness, the court ruled that administrative orders subject to appeal do not bar CLOA cancellation. Furthermore, premature execution cannot validate titles, and landowners retain the right to challenge invalid actions if retention boundaries are disregarded. The third issue involves the right of retention. Under Republic Act 6657, landowners are entitled to retain up to 5 hectares. Distributing CLOAs without first respecting this choice is a violation of due process. Are CLOAs indefeasible? While they enjoy a presumption of regularity, their indefeasibility is not absolute. They may be canceled if the land is part of a valid retention area, if due process was violated, or if just compensation was not properly paid. This matrix summarizes the differences in jurisdiction between the DARAB and the DAR Secretary, highlighting the distinctions in the nature of power, key requirements, and grounds for cancellation. To conclude, the Supreme Court affirmed that the agrarian law was not intended to deprive individuals of property without due process, emphasizing that even the power of eminent domain requires adherence to procedural law. Thank you for watching this overview of the Lucero versus Delfino case. We hope this has provided clarity on the legal principles governing agrarian reform. These are the sources for the imagery used in this video.